Robert, when it comes to smart manufacturing, does analytics and big data always outperform the experience of the operator? What do you think?
I wouldn't say necessarily that the use of these softwares is that to outperform an operator and his experience. I would say that it's new softwares, new tools, new ways of measuring what's going on in your factory. And this is more like a complement to the experience of the operators and production engineers and so on that you have in the factories. And I also think that by using these softwares, you can get a much clearer picture of what's going on in the factory. So you can make better decisions and improve your quality and improve your productivity. And by using big data, we could even get answers to questions that you didn't even know existed. So I think it's a great complement to the experience that's already there, and people should start using it. It will benefit the factory.
Thank you, Robert, and thank you for sharing.